Hey guys, welcome back to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll introduce you to our Glossy Carousel widget presented by the Ultimate Store Kit. This is one of the most useful e-commerce product carousel widgets that provides a fresh looking interface to display your online store products with details, double image hover animation and button animations. The whole carousel interacts with users and let them experience a dynamic overview of the products they came looking for. With so many customizations and effects, the carousel can be designed in various unique models that will boost the overall user experience on your website. You can already see some demo models that we prepared to show you how many ways you can decorate the carousel. Now, let's see the back-end customizations of the Glossy Carousel widget. Let's drag and drop the widget inside the page editor. This is the default appearance of the widget. From the options, you can customize the column number to accommodate the selected number of items in the carousel. Let's go with 4 here. Then there is an item gap adjuster and alignment option for the content. Switching back to 3 columns. From the query section, you can limit the number of items to be displayed on the carousel. You can use the include/exclude options to display only specific items. For instance, select terms in the include by field and then start typing a category name on the next field. Once you select the category, the carousel will only show products belonging to the selected category. Then there are some sorting options right below to rearrange the order of the items. Next, the additional section is filled with switches to show or hide elements from the carousel. There are 3 subsections here. The first one for the content and the second one is badge. Here you can see a newness days field where you can put the days number that will put a new badge on new products for the specified number of days. The last are the action buttons. They will show up once your visitors hover over the products. From here, you could turn them off if you want to. Then there is the navigation section where you can customize the carousel navigation system. You can choose arrows, dots, progress, and combinations. The arrow is selected by default. Then you can change their position from the option below. The switcher below it can show a scroll bar at the bottom of the carousel as an extra navigation system. Also, there are more than 20 arrowhead styles available for you to choose from. Let's pick one and see how it looks. Then you can turn on the hide arrows on mobile switcher. The carousel settings section mostly contains animation settings for the carousel itself. You'll find a layout option to switch between carousel and cover flow. Also, there is autoplay, speed, loop, pause on hover, sliders to scroll, center slider, grab cursor, and many options to customize. Like how you can turn off autoplay to make a static slider here. Now moving on to the style tab. From the very first section, let's put a border around our product items. Choose solid and put a value in the next field. Then we can change the color of the border. There are more options to try here. Then let's go to the content section and choose a background color for the content part of the carousel. Let's go for gray. Then we can customize the padding in order to shape the content area nicely. Next, we can customize the title by changing its hover color. Then let's change the font family and size through the typography option. After that, let's change the pricing color from the section below. For rating, let's make them a little darker so they are visible enough over the gray background. The active color looks fine as it is. Next, let's observe the options in the badge section. We are changing the border radius to 0 for all directions here. Then going into the action button section, let's change the background color of the buttons. Then change the icon color. For hover, just reverse the colors for the background and icon. Let's check it out. Looks awesome. In the same way, let's change the rest two action button colors. Now it looks pretty decent. We can also put 0 in border radius field to make the action buttons square. Then go to the navigation section and change their background color to gray. For the arrow icons, a little black seems nice. Then use the padding field to add more space to the background. And finally, adjust the offset values to space the arrows evenly on the display. Perfect! Your product showcase is ready to show off. That's how you use the Glossy Carousel widget. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and stay updated. See you next time.